Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can install a Kadence Pro theme in your WordPress website. To build any type of website you need domain and hosting. So there are hundreds of web hosting companies that you can easily get hosting. So let me recommend you this one, Bluehost. You can go here and check their packages. Scroll down and then you can simply click here web hosting. And here you can see you just need to pay $2.95 monthly. So currently I have HostGator hosting package. Let me log in into my web hosting account. You need to scroll down and then here you can see cPanel. Just click here, scroll down, and then here you can see apps installer. Just you can install WordPress from here. Click on install button and here you can select the website where you want to install WordPress. Then here you can select HTTP, add username and password, then add email, then plugins that you want to install. By default you can easily select from here. Then you can select website language and here you can add email, then click on install button. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can install Kadence theme in your WordPress website. So first of all, let me log in into my website. Just you can add /wp-admin. After that you can add your username and password. Then now you can go in theme sections and you can install a free theme that's called Kadence. This one. Then activate. And now if you want to install Kadence Pro, then you need to go in plugin sections and here you can upload the plugin file. Let me select this one, then install it. So if you want to get this theme, just you can go here and then here you can see this is official website. You can get it from here. So you can use starter templates and many more. Simply activate the plugin. Now you can go here Kadence and then here you can see starter templates. Just you can go here, then click on install button. And now here you can see you can activate AI starter templates as well as you can use classic starter templates. And here you can select the page builder. So let me select Elementor. And now here you can see a lot of professional websites. Just you can import demo content within a single click. So for example, if I want to add this one, let me select and then click on next button, again next, and here you can see required plugins. So first of all we need to install these plugins. Simply you can go and click here, so it will automatically install and activate required plugins. After that it will install all of the demo content. So guys, here you can see demo is imported. Just you can visit your website. Alright, here you can see demo content is imported. So now if you want to change anything in header, simply you can go to theme customizer, and then here you can see on the left side, click on header. Then here you can see logo option. Just you can click on logo, then settings, and here you can easily change logo. Then you can increase or decrease logo max width, as well as you can select here one of these options. So first of all, visibility option, on which device you want to display. Then if you want to display only logo, then you can select this option, logo and title, logo title as well as tagline. So you will get a lot of customization options. And then on the top here you can see this icon. If you want to replace, just you can go to site icon. Then here you can easily add site icon, and here you can see formatting 512 by 512. Then go back, and here you can see HTML. So here you can add your own text. Then social, and here you can add your social accounts. Scroll down, and then here you can select the icon. So if you want to add additional social account, just you can go here and add from here. Then primary navigation. So if you want to edit this menu, just you can go here, then click on menu button, and here you can easily edit menu. So if you want to remove anything, just you can go here and then remove. If you want to add anything, then you can go here and then you can add to menu. After that, if you want to remove any of thing from the header, then you can easily click here. After that, it will be removed. Then click on publish button. In the same way, you can easily edit footer. You can delete widgets as well as you can edit widgets content. So by default, it's using block widgets. Then if you want to switch into classic widgets, then you can go to plugin sections, and you need to install a plugin that's called classic editor. Classic widgets. You need to install this plugin and then activate. Then now you can reload this page, and after that you will be able to edit these widgets. And if you want to change anything in copyright text, you can just add here, then click on publish button. You can change colors as well as button colors, background colors, and typography options. For example, fonts, for the heading fonts as well as body fonts, and many more. Scroll down. So Kadence theme customizer. Then after that, if you want to edit the content on homepage, how you can do that? Just you can go here and click on edit with Elementor. And now you can easily edit any of the section. As website is built with Elementor page builder, you can click on pencil icon, and here you can see on the left side you can edit and change the text, as well as if you want to change this image, just you can click on section. Let me go to section setting, and here you can see these are the four images that are added. So you can replace these images as slideshow is active. And now if you want to change other sections, then you can scroll down. Simply you can click here, and on the left side you can easily change it from here. Then again scroll down. In the same way you can change it, and then here you can see these are the products, how you can change and edit these products. Just you can go to dashboard, and here you can see under the WooCommerce product tab. Then simply you can add new product from here, as well as you can edit existing product. You can add product categories from here, and if you want to add payment methods, then you can go in WooCommerce settings and then payments. Here you can add store details. To add payment methods, you can go here, just you can install these plugins, and then you can easily activate payment methods within a single click. Just you will get a PayPal button, and then you need to connect with your PayPal account. So after that, let me show you contact page. Scroll down. In the same way you can change any of the content available here. So guys, in this way you can easily create a website using Kadence Pro